5 shocking truths about recycling massive fashion. Waste. The fashion industry churns out a staggering 92 billion tons of waste annually, set to double by 2050. Low recycling rate. Shockingly, only 10% of fashion waste gets recycled, leaving 90% to languish in landfills or incinerators. Some fabrics are treated with harmful chemicals. 47% of all fiber entering the fashion value chain becomes waste throughout the myriad of different stages of production before it even reaches the consumer. The quality of recycled clothing varies based on recycling methods, with some producing high-quality fabrics, while others yield less durable options. Despite being a better alternative, recycling still poses environmental challenges, including energy, water consumption, and chemical use. Let's prioritize the use of natural fibers to minimize environmental impact or invest in innovative recycling technologies. Let's work together for our green planet. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it valuable, don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel and motivate us to provide more valuable information.